to both the Rayleighs and the Marshalls managers, but we have yet. And the newsroom tonight, Ian, man, it's just been coming down out there.
Yeah, Stockton, Modesto, you guys, if you look to the north, you can see the lightning, but I don't think everyone's going to get rain. But, boy, downtown Davis is seeing it right now.
Oh, I saw that.
Let's get outside and show you what we're dealing with. There in the distance, this is our Fairfield camera. That's looking toward I-80. A couple of flashes of lightning. That's our Mercedes-Benz.
Oh, I'm sorry, but we're right in Elk Grove here, and we be seeing it. We be getting thunder and lightning.
We were in the mid-80s, and we're going to be even cooler as we jump right into the radar.
Loving it.
We're going live, Nan.
Heavy rainfall in downtown Sacramento. As I show you the radar loop right here, you can see those showers kind of.
I need to get this on tape.
Counter-clockwise fashion.
It's a good thing Kiki's doesn't have to experience this, because this is a sad time.
Closer, zooming into Davis, we are seeing on the west side of Davis lightning and very, very heavy rain. So this is I-80 right here, just to the north. So campus getting.
What's your Doppler? Where is it? Because it's hitting us right now.
Some of this is hitting the ground, so be safe out there. If you're going to get a peek, probably from your window is the best way to do it. This Sparta is seeing a nice amount.
That's where I used to live. Just Sparta.
Heavy showers.
Cool. I just missed it. I would have gotten it on tape.
No severe weather.
Crap.
Definitely some heavy rain. Haven't heard any hail reports, but it'll definitely make some.
I'm not hoping for no rain.
Oh my god. It didn't go on camera though. It didn't show up on camera.
What?
It didn't show up on camera.
It didn't?
No, I just saw it and it didn't show up on camera. It was white. You should have seen it. The thunder just hit and it didn't show up.
You're not going to see the thunder.
I mean, it's white. Of course we will.
No, you won't see the thunder. The lightning, yes, not the thunder.
Oh, I'm talking about the lightning. Sorry.
Maybe because the screen is too thick.
Oh, there it goes.
We've seen them coming out of the south.
Did you catch it?
Yeah, I'm still doing it though. Could you turn on that big light? I want to see if I can get it more.
With the big light? No, you won't.
But it makes it lighter so it's easier to see. I'm doing it.
Blowing around. 3 a.m. we're seeing sustained winds of 15, 20, maybe even 30 miles per hour on the west side of the valley. Could see gusts up to 40. If the wind is strong enough, it could knock down a tree branch, especially if it's stressed from the ground. So power outages aren't out of the question. I don't think they're going to be widespread, but 7 a.m. that wind is going to be going. We usually don't see gusty winds that early in the morning, and especially out of the north and the west. But they're going to be howling tomorrow. Not as bad in the southern valley, but very, very busy in the northern valley.
He's up in the window.
With the dry conditions, we still have a rain flag. Now we've seen some rain, and that will help, but there's still plenty of crisp areas.
It would scare me if I was small.
Two new fire starts, and if a new fire does start, boy, that wind is going to whip it. For tomorrow, I think we're going to see a lot of clearing as far as the rain goes. Maybe some for the Sierra, and then a slight chance for the valley, but I think the fireworks.
Oh, I just missed it. Gosh.
Stick around. So isolated rain tonight. It's going to be breezy. Tomorrow morning, it's going to be cool.
Oh, it just went on that one too.
So if you're heading out to
And Tigger doesn't even care. Oh God, it's really loud now. I feel like somebody's stomping.
Little boo-boo's just chilling.
Just ahead at 10, crime-fighting cousins have faceless to help two Sacramento men
You're just sitting there.
Plus, an explosive tell-all book, the troubling accusation against a university's men's basketball team, and breaking down stereotypes. The local women working to change the face of other women in comic books.
Hasn't blinded any pilots on final approach into O'Hare. I may have told the partners here that you and I are very, very good friends. So please.
Now it's not showing any lightning at all.
I would never dream of it.
I saw something.
You must stop my evil twin brother. What? Get out of there. It is a banquet table. Something cool. But ready, baby, because that's me.
You?
And the baddest of them all. It's a 6-movie Charles Bronson marathon. Now be there October 15th on this. Halloween. This is
The heck was that?
The litter box.
Oh,
Pandora's box and what's locked in the basement.
They say it has teeth and claws.
To whose Irish class now? Something's learning from us. Especially mine. October 22nd to 31st on this. This October 24th, it's me, it's angry, and it's coming this way.
I don't think you're gonna catch it because you have to be right on top of it. It's too quick. The lightning's way too quick.
I've got it a couple times.
Did you?
Yeah, not too much.
I got the whole thing on tape. So I don't think you had an accident.
You have to have a high-powered camera with a super zoom lens and
You want some coffee?
It can zoom in all right.
Morning.
Hi, how you doing?
I just zoomed it in right now.
Pretty good. There you go. What are you doing here? You listening to some music?
I
that
got
was a good one.
something up on the top. It looked like purplish.
Oh, movies.
I can hear the cats in the backyard.
You can hear what?
Rain.
You hear a door slam.
My stuff's gonna be ruined outside. Fucking money I put into that furniture and everything.
No, I'm on tape.
I don't care. Had to take everything out of storage. $100 a month is nothing.
Now it's really raining. Oh, I just missed it. Oh, I got something. I got 5 parts of the lightning.
Last year. And is your town hammered? Tipsy? How about on its face drunk? A California city named the drunkest in the state.
Yeah, and where would that be?
And neither should you. Don't miss Xfinity's best offer of the year on the X1 Triple Play. You'll get X1 with Smart Search, Xfinity On Demand, and the X1 Voice Remote. X1 from Xfinity will change the way you watch TV. So don't miss out.
Get the X1 Triple Play for just $89.99 a month for
Oh, don't you think you're just the sweetie pie of the soccer ball?
Visit Xfinity.com today.
The research here at St. Jude is very important. It gave my daughter a second chance at life.
We're developing tomorrow's cures today so that everyone around the world can benefit from those therapies.
La parte de investigación en el hospital es fundamental, porque si no hubiera eso, no habría ese porcentaje tan alto de supervivencia que dan.
Treatments invented at St. Jude have helped push the overall childhood cancer survival rate from 20% to more than 80% since it opened 50 years ago. And we won't stop until no child dies from cancer.
We are not just publishing a paper, but we're making changes to patient care. Because we have donors that believe in what we're doing, we can really move
life saved at St. Jude means thousands elsewhere.
Because of you. Gracias a ti.
Because of you.
There is St. Jude.
Television, a window to our culture. It has united us in history.
I've been filming for 10 minutes,
Entertained us over time.
and it's taking forever to get another lightning coming through.
Entertainment and history come together.
No, you haven't been sitting there 10 minutes with no lightning, because lightning's striking every few seconds.
Well, it says on the video I've been filming it for like 11 minutes now.
Since you first started.
Yeah. All I hear is the stupid rumbling sounds. Sounds like somebody...
You have to have lightning before the thunder. There's no way you're not going to have the lightning first, because that's what creates the thunder. It's the way the lightning passes through the air. It causes the noise.
A big gesture to honor a local woman with an even bigger heart.
This is a perfect
It
way
freezes up the
for us
minute
to
that we get
give
lightning.
back.
The Misty Holtzing Memorial Scoreboard was unveiled today at the Oak Park Northern Little League Field. New tonight, her widower is sharing
What, do you have it on video?
Yeah.
in such a special way.
This was something that she would want.
Her name reaching toward the heavens, lighting up the community, and hitting a winning run for the sport Misty Holtzing was so passionate about.
It would be a huge deal. She loved sports. She played baseball. She was one of the first girls to play ball, and she played softball, so this is perfect.
This electronic scoreboard was donated to the Northern Little League Field in honor of the mother of two. The 41-year-old was killed in a shootout with police after being taken hostage in a bank robbery in Stockton last year.
I just think it's a really great tribute, you know, just to give back and just show all of our love and support.
Now it's raining.
From leagues all around the region turned out to the friendly home game barbecue at Oak Park.
Wow, it's really...
Okay, you need to close that window right there. My stuff.
This is a perfect way for us to, you know,
It's really pouring right now.
Two of Misty Holtzing's nephews also play baseball for that league.
Dad opened the garage door and might get hit by lightning.
Fire burned in an RV on Stockton Boulevard near Lemon Hill Avenue. We're still working to learn the identity of the person who was killed there.
It's gonna lighten right now.
No other homes were involved. The 5th annual Women's Forum was held at William Jefferson University
Oh.
earlier today. The goal was to bring
I could have gotten it too. Crap.
Well, give it up, Angelina. You're not.
I just got it
Did
too.
you?
Yeah.
Okay.
She wants women to start thinking of you as more than caretakers. It's time for women to step up and really bring what we do best to the table. We listen, we communicate, we network, we collaborate. Women took part in a number of workshops there, including how to balance home and work life and how to dress for success. The FDA has approved an extremely addictive painkiller for children as young as 11 who suffer from chronic pain. Some opponents worry OxyContin prescriptions will lead to a spike in addictions and potentially